Introducing Kozaki K1 Industrial Direct Drive Lockstitch Sewing Machine. New generation of high-efficiency sewing. Needle position system for fast production. On or off LED light for better vision. Stitch correction switch for good finishing. Super high speed. Extremely low noise. High precision tempered parts. Suitable for light to heavy materials. Different inbuilt programs to adjust accordingly. Specially designed mechanism for no thread breakage. Cost-effective model for production houses.